Hello all, I'm really excited to come up with another unboxing video. This video is going to be the unboxing of Himi Gouache tube set, which has 36 rich, vibrant and radiant colors. This set is one of the most popular sets among artists. The packaging is so sleek and all the colors are so neatly sorted and arranged. This spectacular set comes in 2 trays holding 18 colors in each tray. This Himi Gouache set has several key characteristics that makes it ideal for use in various artistic applications. So with no further wait, let's go and swatch these exorbitant range of colors. So let's begin with the 2 shades of white, titanium white and pure white. These paints have a very high concentration of pigments, providing vibrant and opaque colors that cover surfaces well. See how the texture is so smooth and creamy, which makes it easy to apply and mix without being too thick and runny. So trying out the Naples yellow and the lemon yellow. Once dried, these gouache paints have a flat matte finish with a minimal shine. Trying out the deeper shade of yellow primrose, medium yellow, earth yellow, which is apt for pot painting. Now the orange and the salmon pink. And Ponza is a very interesting color which has a deep strawberry red, an oriental red and a more deeper shade of red, which is deep red. These paints are light fast and the colors mix really well with each other, maintaining their vibrancy and consistency without becoming muddy. So we just saw the pinky rose and the violet as in rainbow. Now shades of blue, where we see the sky blue, cobalt blue and a much darker blue, which is the ultramarine blue. The Prussian blue is a more darker blue. And now the all popular pastels, where we see a nice purple rose, nude, pale purple, the perfume lily. Moving on to the different shades of green, which would satisfy all your landscape art. We have the yellow green, grass green, medium green and a unique jade green, pink green, pale green, olive green and the blackish green, which almost looks black with a tint of green in it. This is a very unique blue color. There's acid blue, pale violet, ochre, burnt umber, which looks burnt as the name suggests, and the classic black. So this is the swatches of all the 36 colors. So bring your visions to life by shopping this amazing gouache set from your favorite Tuvi website, which is an ultimate destination for all your artistic needs. Hope you enjoyed this video. Till I catch you in another one, thank you and bye-bye.